If you don't know, now you know. This is Big Vic riding the Black Pearl again, February 14th. Let's say it's about 89, 88 degrees outside in Southern California. Stay tuned. Keep watching the video.
Some of the work gets kinda hard, and this ain't no place to be if you plan on being a star. Let me tell you, it's always cool, and the boss don't mind sometimes if you act the fool at the car wash. Talking about the car wash. Come on, y'all, and sing it for the car wash. Car wash, yeah. Well, those cars never seem to stop coming. Work and work. Keep those bags and machines humming. Work and work. My fingers to the bone. Work. If I can't wait till it's time to go home. Hey, get your car washed today.
How do you get soaking wet without a cloud in the sky, nor a drop falling from the heavens? Keep watching the video. You'll see.
Talking about the car wash. Car wash, yeah. Come on, y'all, and sing it with me. Car wash. Sing it with feeling, y'all. Car wash, yeah. Car wash never seem to stop coming. Well, I say, keep those bags and machines humming. Let me tell you, it's always cute. And the boss don't mind sometimes if you're the fool at the car wash. Working at the car wash, yeah. Car wash. Talking about the car wash, yeah.
I'm sure by now you guys know there's the Francis, and hey look, there's Tony B and me.
Car wash, yeah. Car wash. Car wash, yeah.
It's time, folks. It's time to say goodbye. Thanks for taking this ride along with me. This is Big Vic riding the Black Pearl. See you next time.